What's up, everybody? We got a new video. Of course, we got another weekly recap. I'm thinking about changing up the drop of my videos from like Sunday and another day. So I'm trying to figure out how I'm gonna do my drop days. I'm just so busy now. Like I'm trying to figure out if I can drop twice a week, meaning like Sunday, Tuesday, something like that. But I'm just trying to figure it out as I go. Again, I'm very busy. With that being said, let's get right into this week 9 of Human Made. I've been dropping a lot of these weekly recaps and reviews. I will have some content coming this Sunday that has nothing to do weekly recap and review. This is gonna be a strictly design video. Also, following that weekend, I'm gonna do another video dealing with my subscribers sub collection that I did last year. My boy Chris sent me a video of his collection, and I'm gonna talk about that the next Sunday. So these weekly recap videos may come like on a Tuesday-ish or Wednesday-ish. But yeah, let's get right to the video. That's enough of that, because I'm pretty sure y'all already skipped ahead of this. I'll be looking at my little chart showing me how much and where y'all watch my videos. So at the beginning, y'all skip right to the shits. So let me stop talking. All right, so we have the Human Made workwear. It's called coveralls. It got this jacket. We got it in navy blue. Also, we have it in this tan colorway as well. We seen this design last year from Human Made with the duck wearing the overalls. They brought it back with this jacket. I think this jacket really cool. I like it more in the tan colorway, and that's the front. I like it a lot. It can't go wrong with it. It's got a lot of pockets on it to store stuff, and there's an actual use for this jacket, and not just to wear it just to look good, but you actually have a use for it, just to use the pockets with the stuff in. And like with the stitching, and we had, I'm glad they're doing the stitching. This is like one of my favorite stitch that they do with their garments. This is like one of my favorite style of stitching, so I'm glad that they did it. So I know this ain't gonna be cheap. Also, we got the Human Made button heart. I really like how brands do this, like with their buttons, like the little things really bring out the fit a little bit more. They also stitched, like they just gutted and stitched out the whole thing on the back, which I like a lot. I prefer stitching like on garments like this, like jackets like this, the work jackets. What else? Like the bomber jackets. I just prefer the stitch, because I feel like the stitching just, like the stitching would justify the price of me buying it for that price that you're selling it for. So if the jacket like $300, you got that stitching on there, I'm 9 times out of 10 will buy that. But if that jacket or whatever had like just screen printed on, I may just pass on it, because screen print could like just crack over time and just slowly fade away. That's why I prefer stitching on these type of garments. But I like it a lot, but I'll pass on it. Next, we got some more pants. We got some painter pants. We got it in navy blue. Also, we have it in khaki. Either way, you can't go wrong with it. The painter pants has been the thing like since last year leading into this year. Like I've been watching one of my favorite YouTubers. He do a lot of thrifting, and I'm thinking about like getting my hands in thrifting and just messing around and having fun. But the guy that I watch called Jacob Starr, he does a lot of thrift, like going to the thrift videos, and he has some fire content of him going to the thrift. His edits are fire. He breaks things down really good, get great explanations on the pieces. And I watch him a lot to get better at like communicating and explaining what I'm trying to get across to y'all, so y'all can understand a little bit better, because you may not know what the type of material is or whatever like that. So I'm trying to build up my vocabulary on certain things, and he's seeing like this light from my phone. It's like reflecting off the light coming through, and it's just like bouncing on the wall, and he's just all over the place right now. But yeah, painter pants are in. Yeah, I already know these pants probably like $250-ish, so 200 to 300 range, I'll say that. Next, we got the Human Made long sleeve tee with a pocket on the front with the bulldog stitched on, with the Human Made text on the inside. We have it in white, black, and gray. And we have Human Made on the back of this, on the black version, white and gray. Here's the bulldog close stitched in on a pocket. Would I get this? I don't know. I normally don't wear too many like long sleeve tees. I think in all that I have right now that I normally can like consistently wear this long sleeve, I have mainly they're like Human Made. I got like the BMX tee that came out I think like 2 seasons ago. And I have like the black long sleeve. It has like the duck on it and the bulldog on it. Y'all normally will see me wearing it in these videos. That's the only time I wear long sleeves. But I will end up passing on this. Next, we got some belts. This is a black belt. This is a black belt. I I'm thinking about copping that black belt they still have in stock, because the one that I caught before was navy blue. I prefer black belts. It's just something about black belts just make it simple, just very simple, and you really can't screw it up with an outfit wearing a black belt. My bro Bam has one of my other human made belts that I haven't seen in months. I don't know what, it may be in his closet or something, because he needed it for something, so I let him use it. I need to get it back from him. But he's got a belt, he got a black, and we have like this golden yellow. Also having a black and military green, and these are all the colors that we have. And all these come in different thicknesses. The black one with the more thicker, and it just goes down from thick to thin, pause. So this is what you got for the belts. Next, we have some bags. We have small, medium, and large bags. I'm not a bag guy, but I do like these colors a lot. I really, really like the pastel type of colors, springtime vibe type of colors. I love spring. My favorite time of the year is fall and spring, because fall and spring are like cousins to me. Both of them, like, the weather just right, not too crazy, but they both have a different looks, if you get what I'm saying, like colors and things like that. Spring, of course, is more poppy, pastel type of colors. Fall is more earth tones and earthy type of colors, and it just and those two seasons are just my favorite seasons of the year. And I'm always excited that when those seasons come around, I'm like, thank God these seasons are here. And my birthday is in the spring. April 22nd is coming. We're gonna do some dope stuff with my friends, so y'all may not even see me for like a week. So anyway, that's enough of that. Next, we have like some shoulder bags, some mini shoulder bags. We have like this orange, pink, and tan. Pass on it. They ain't something I would really wear. Next, we have these card cases. I don't need it, but you have the duck on it with the overalls as well. They implemented this design for the card holder or whatever. I pass on these. And next, we have a bank pouch, which is a little bit bigger, so you put more stuff in it, like for your cash, your wallet, whatever else. Same thing as the card holder. I pass on this, because again, I don't like to carry around things that I really don't need. I only carry around my phone, my wallet, and my keys, and that's it. I don't need a charger for my phone, because my phone always stays charged. So I'm a very simple person. I'm very, very simple. I don't wear jewelry or anything like that. I used to have an earring a long time ago. I took that out. I don't wear that no more. Yeah, I'm just not an accessories person, but maybe sooner or later in the future, I'll slowly start to come around and start wearing more accessories. This kid right here, I wish I could have seen this. But yesterday, me, JD, Bam, we all went out, and JD was looking at some rings. He was like, bro, try these rings on. So I'm just trying like these different types of rings. And I'm just looking at my hands. They were like, yeah, bro, just take them off. So I just took the rings off, and I just put like a regular ring on my finger, my ring finger, to see how it would look. Just cause I want to get married. So I put the ring on. I'm like, They're probably the only time I actually wear a ring, even though I don't look right wearing rings. But anyway, enough of that talking. All right, so we're back real quick. I had to jump back into this. I was on week 9. We're gonna do week 10 as well, because they just dropped what's gonna be dropping on Friday night. But I'm dropping it early Friday, but it's Thursday. I'm just going over this. But Human Made just dropped some news on us about something that they're dropping Friday night for us. And it's gonna be like a little small collection that they're gonna be dropping. So we'll just jump right into it. I'm just read it off. It says the first product from Human Made New Store and Cowboy Denim Collection will be released on Saturday, March 5th, Friday for us. The collection is inspired by an array of vintage items collected over the years by human-made designer Nigo. The first product, Storm Cowboy Denim Jacket Tight 1939 and Storm Cowboy Pants Tight 1939, that's a mouthful, are made from Neppy hold on, let me try this, hold on. Neppy Selvage denim with faded finish reminiscent of a decade of wear and tear. A host of details ranges from discoloration and damage processing to the button fly, chain stitching, hems, and pocket designs are joined by heart-shaped rivets and buttons that capture the playful spirit of Human Made. All right, so we got a denim jacket and some pants. So for the denim jacket, I want this jacket a lot. I have one that I'm selling right now because I just want like a basic jacket, like really like no really designs on it at all, just a regular denim jacket for Human Made, and we got it. And I like this a lot. I'm gonna try to go for this. Hopefully I'm able to get it, because I know it's gonna sell out really quick, because last time they did this with Levi's, it sold out really quick. And I hope I'll be able to get my hands on this one. But I really like this wash, this finish on this jacket a lot, because this is the type of jacket that I normally go for when it comes to denim jackets. And it does have that vintage look and wear and tear to it. And you just can't go wrong with it. You got like a small hit on that pocket, like the front pocket with the button. You got that red, just enough to like help that jacket pop just a little bit, but not too much. And on the back, it's nothing on the back. It's just a regular denim. And this shit is not cheap, so I'm gonna try to copy it, because I just sold a few things, and if I can get it, I get it. If I can't, then I'm just gonna be SOL, because I've been taking a lot of L's these past couple of weeks. So next we got the denim pants. I think these like straight legs or something, if I'm not mistaken, like just regular, like relaxed fitting denim. I'm gonna pass on these, but I do like the wash. The reason I'm gonna pass on this is because I'm gonna get the jacket. That's already down to $300 to $400. Plus these pants, that's another probably $300 to $400. So I'd rather just pick one and just roll with that one. And that one would be the denim jacket, because you can just wear that with anything. I can layer with that. I can do whatever I want with that denim jacket. Yeah, that's it for week 10. I like it a lot. Very small drop. Very small drop. And if this is gonna be a Storm Cowboy, it says it's a new Human Made collection. The Storm Cowboy collection is gonna be denim. I already know Nigo will be dropping this probably once every season. So I guess we could be expecting this next season as well, with some more denim from Human Made. And yeah, that's it for that. Hope y'all have a good one. Like, comment, subscribe down below. Catch y'all in the next one. Peace.